everybody! I'm here today to show you how to change the bit on a Dremel tool. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, first and foremost, whenever you are working with your Dremel, you want to either remove the battery pack, okay, just like that, or unplug it from the power source. This is to ensure that it won't turn on by accident. Now, before I show you how to change the bit, we need to distinguish what is the bit on the Dremel tool because there's a little bit of confusion. And this is the best of my knowledge that I have. I can't say that I'm absolutely right, but this is the best of my knowledge, okay? You have accessories that you can twist on and off like this, okay? This piece right here. You have a collet, which is over here, okay? And then you have a bit, which is over here, okay? Very simple. Now, if you want to change the bit, and I'll show you how to change all three of those things, because you might have been confused about what the bit is, but I'll show you how to change the bit, the collet, and the accessory, okay? Very simple. You want to change the bit, there's going to be a locking button right here. When you push this down, and it pushes a little bit further, so you push this down, you apply pressure, and you turn the collet. Then it pushes a little bit further. Now the shaft of the collet is locked. So what I can do now is I can twist the collet, this little black piece right here, counterclockwise to loosen the shaft. So I'm twisting it counterclockwise. Now I can remove the old bit, okay? And then I can insert the new bit that I want to have in there. Insert it, and then I can twist the collet clockwise, still applying pressure to that lock button right there. And then when you can't twist it anymore, that's it. You've now got your new bit in place. And if I put the battery in, you'll be able to see that it works just fine, okay? Just fine. Very simple. So that's how to change the bit. And hopefully that's what you came here for. But let's say you came here to learn how to change the collet. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that too. So I'm going to once again press that lock button. I'm going to remove this bit just to make it a little bit easier, okay? Now we're looking at the Dremel right here, okay? This is the collet. So once again, with this button pressed down, you're going to twist the collet counterclockwise until it comes completely off. Just like that. You can then get your new collet while still holding that button down, twist it clockwise until it can't be twisted anymore. Okay? Just like that. Then you can release that button. You've now put on or changed a collet. Very simple. Now, last but not least, the accessory, which is this right here. This, you don't need to use the lock button because this twists onto a fixed location. It does not move. So I'm going to take this and I'm twisting it counterclockwise. I can remove that. Okay? And now I can place the new accessory on here. Once again, I don't need to hold the lock button because this is a fixed threading right here. Place the new accessory in place and twist it clockwise, just like that, till it goes in place. Just like that. Then you can use your new accessory however you want to. In this case, I can adjust this piece right here, this guide right here. But yeah, you can use your new accessory however you want. Very simple and straightforward. That's basically it. That is essentially how to change the bit on a Dremel, but in addition, I've shown you how to change the collet and how to change the accessory, just because I figured that you might want to know how to change those as well. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.